in democracy prevails. Independence Day is not just a day to hoist our national flag and enjoy a day off. It is a reminder of the sacrifices made.
So, freedom, we talk about Independence Day, we talk about freedom, right? So what is freedom, right? Do you know how kite flies, right? There's a kite, there's a person holding a string, there's a string, and there's a kite above. If there's something that carries the kite, lets the kite fly high, right? Without drifting away. It's what we can't see, right? Can you see what it is? It's the gentle wind, right? Independence is like the wind, right? It lets us fly high. The string attached to it is the values, is the ethos that lets us not drift away from where we need to fly. There's no string, we fly randomly. I'm happy that you are in such a lovely school. I'm sure Luxor is inculcating all the values and ethos in you to really fly high. And I would like to finish by saying, independence is not about doing what we want, right? Independence is about doing the right thing for the country and helping others grow with us, right? So, happy Independence once again, and Jai Hind.
Beauty of our heritage through a classical dance. Let us have our talented dancers on stage for a graceful performance.
The first war of independence.
The time has come to rage against our oppressors. No longer shall we be the slaves of our own land.
Mother Pandey, you are hereby charged with mutiny.
I fight for Bharat Mata. We will be free. As long as I live, I will protect my Jhansi. We fight for our freedom and our dignity.
2. The rise of nationalism. The defeat did not crush the Indian spirit.
We must reject foreign goods and speed our own fight. This is our way of peacefully resisting the British rule. True freedom lies in self-reliance and self-respect. We will not rest until every Indian has tasted freedom.
Scene 3. Jallianwala Bagh massacre, a third cooperation movement.
We shall either free India or die in the atom. This is our final struggle.
We are determined to fight for our freedom. The British must leave India now.
We the British Raj and England.
At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. But let us not forget the tragedy of partition and the lives lost.
Our task now is to heal the wounds of our nation. Let us work toward peace and unity.
Ancient Indian wisdom teaches us that our first responsibility is to the society, second to our family, and third to ourselves. When this hierarchy is reversed, any society will start to degenerate. We must not confuse motion with progress. Our rocking horse keeps moving but does
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, पूरी नजर हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, पूरी नजर हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, पूरी नजर हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान। हिंदुस्तान हमने कहा है हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। सबके दिलों को मोहब्बत से बांधे जो हम ऐसी संजीव है। ऊंची उड़ाने हैं, ऊंचे इरादे हैं, हम कब की तस्वीर है। हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो। हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
Queen of Jhansi, adopting the name Rani Lakshmi Bai. Tragedy struck when my husband died.